Okay, here's the first outfit from Walmart. It's actually a crop top, and you can have it off the shoulder. I think you can pull it up if you want to. But I have a bra on. I probably would get a strapless bra to wear with this outfit. But like I said, it's a crop top, and these are pants. It has a long split on both sides, and a tie right here. So yeah, and this was $17.98, and it has like the floral print on it. But yeah, this is cute. So this is the only outfit that I got from Walmart. The other outfits are gonna be from Fashion Nova. Okay, here's the first outfit from Fashion Nova. It has the little spaghetti strap. I have on a bra because I don't have a strapless bra, and I don't want my boobs just flapping everywhere. So this is the first outfit from Fashion Nova. Let's see. Okay, guys. This is the next outfit, and I had to take off my bra for this outfit because it just wasn't given. It wasn't looking right with the bra on. And it's not all the way zipped up, so when it's all the way zipped up, it will look like this. I can't zip it up myself, so I would need help from someone to zip it up for me. I can't do it, so I'm not gonna turn all the way around because it's not zipped up. But it is cute. Okay, here's the next outfit. It's a maxi dress, and it has the shroosha on the side. And it feels so soft. But yeah. Here's this dress, just simple, tie-dye. It's cute. Okay, so here's another piece, just this crop top jacket. I just threw it on top of the dress. But it is short, cropped, cute. Then in the back, it has the distress on the back. That's what set it off. It is so cute. Okay, here are the next two pieces. This is the top and the shorts. Distressed shorts is distressed everywhere. I wouldn't pair this together. I just put it on. But yeah, so the top has the cut off like shoulder sleeve, but it's attached to it right here. And then a spaghetti strap. And the shorts is distressed. My mom do not like these shorts. But these are cute. Okay, so the next couple of pieces are going to be pants. So I'm just going to keep this top on for the rest of them. So here are some more like, I don't know what you call these, capris. But here are some distressed capris. They are so cute. So here's the next piece. These are high-waisted denim jeans. And they're like skinny leg jeans. Just plain, no distress. But they feel so soft. These are cute. Okay, here are the last two pieces. I forgot about the hat. The hat is actually from Amazon. Or some people wear it like this. There's the hat. And then these jeans are high-waisted as well. They're black. skinny leg jeans. So here's another piece from Fashion Nova. I forgot to show you all. It's my jacket. It's like green color, size large. I forgot the price. I will insert it in this video, but it has a hood as well. And I'll show a picture of how it looks too, so. But yeah, it's very, very warm. Cute. Okay, so that's the end of the Walmart / Fashion Nova / Amazon haul. So thank you so much for watching. Please comment, subscribe, and like the video, and I'll talk to you guys later.